Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Kaya, and in today's video, we will be doing an how-to video. So in today's first how-to video, I will be showing you a kind of a part 2 to my previous video on where I showed you my new iOS home screen. I got a lot of DMs and emails saying they wanted to see how to do an in-depth version of how to make an icon. So that is what we will be talking about in today's video. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how to create your own custom app and put it all on your screen, just like I did in my last video. And if you haven't checked that out, you can go check it out right up here. And without further ado, let's get on with this video. The three apps you are going to need are right here, Pinterest and Picsart, and the last one you will need is Shortcuts. So as you can see, I am showing you guys what my screen looks like, and if you did see my previous video, then you already know what it looks like, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the icons. So the first thing you're going to want to go is open up the app Pinterest. So now that you're in Pinterest, this is the first way that you can find app icons. So if you don't want to have the hassle on making your own, go into Pinterest and just search up app icons, and a whole list of different icons will come up. You'll find stuff for YouTube, stuff for TikTok, stuff for music, stuff for Safari, all will be here. And if you can't find a specific app, just search app icon. Let's just say you're looking for an Among Us icon. You're just going to search app icon for Among Us. Now, if you're doing a color scheme or a theme, you're going to search like app icons in black, or app icons pink, app icons yellow, whatever color that your home screen is looking like, that is what you're going to search up. And honestly, Pinterest has such an endless amount of searches, you probably won't have any struggle on looking for what you need for your screen. So now, the second way on getting app icons for your phone is to make them on Picsart. And I'm going to show you just how to do that and how easy it is. So now that you're on Picsart, you're going to want to hit the plus button at the bottom of the screen and scroll all the way down till you find color backgrounds. Here you're going to pick the color you want to go corresponding to your home screen. Here I'm just doing pink to show you how a pink home screen would look. And after that, you're going to hit stickers. And in stickers, you're going to search the logo or icon you're doing. And for this example, I'm showing you guys how to do an Instagram logo. So after you've searched Instagram logo, you're going to have a huge selection of choices. I just picked this basic white outline just to show you. And after you pick your sticker, you can resize it, make it smaller, make it bigger to just fit your choice. I made it a little bit smaller just because in the next app that you're going to use, you can crop it and it honestly doesn't matter. Personally, I say make it smaller because you can zoom in the next app to make it look bigger. So now that you have finished your logo, you are going to go to the next page and just save it to your camera roll. So now I'm going to be showing you guys a second way on how to make an icon in Picsart. So you're going to hit the plus button at the bottom of the screen just like you did the first time, and instead of picking a color, you are going to pick a photo, and you can pick the options that they have for you in the app, or if you have saved the photo to your camera roll, you can pick one of those photos. So I picked a photo from my camera roll, and honestly, you can pick whatever you want. For my example, I just picked this Y2K kind of indie picture. It is this TV screen that has the Powerpuff Girls on it. You can see right here. And in this example, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a TikTok icon. So you're going to go to stickers and search TikTok logo or just the TikTok icon. And you can pick whatever option that they have for you in your search. I picked this white one, but in the end, I didn't like it and I decided to pick a black one, and then I didn't like the black one, and then I finally picked the regular logo with the black, red, and blue because it fitted best with the photo in the background. You can pick whatever you like. You can move it over to the side of the picture, wherever you like, just wherever you feel it best fits for you. That's where you can put it. And honestly, just do what you think best fits your home screen. So after you have your finished product and have what you like, you're just going to save it to your camera roll. And now I'm going to be showing you a third and final way on how to make an icon on Picsart. So you're going to hit the plus button just like you did the last 2 times at the bottom of the screen. And this time you're going to pick a color. And it could be any color. For this one, I'm doing an Among Us theme home screen. And since that is such a big game and I've seen it a lot on TikTok, I'm going to show you guys how to make an Among Us theme icon if you want to do an Among Us theme home screen. So for this one, I'm doing Snapchat, and honestly, just pick a character you think best fits the app. If you're doing YouTube, you could do a red Among Us character. If you're doing Twitter, you could do a blue one. Honestly, just pick the color you think best fits the app. So for Snapchat, I decided to do a white one representing the ghost. And now that I see, I should have done a yellow background to like actually fit the whole app, because usually it's the yellow with the white ghost, but I didn't do that and I'm so dumb, sorry. But that's what you can do if you want to do Snapchat. And I also added the title Snapchat right underneath it, just so I can find it better when I have it in my phone, as you will see at the end of this video. And you can pick through their wide selection of different titles. As I'm showing you here, there is so many. Some of them are premium. You gotta pay for it if you want to do that. But I didn't pick one of those. I just picked the regular one, as you can see here. And if you are doing a title, after you have finished putting in the name, you're just going to save it. So now that you have A, screenshotted and cropped all your icons from Pinterest, or B, made them all off of Picsart, you're going to want to move over to your last and final app. So the last app you will be needing to use in this tutorial is Shortcuts. So you're going to open Shortcuts and you are going to make a new shortcut. So once you have made a new shortcut, you are just going to add an action to that shortcut. After pressing add action, you're going to go to the search bar and search open app. Now with this action, it gives you a wide selection of all the apps that you have that you can open from your library. And in this example, I'm going to be showing you guys how to open Instagram. So in the search bar, you're going to search the icon or the app that you're making. And here I just searched up Instagram. And before you are finished, you are going to hit the 3 dots on the right corner of the screen and put in Instagram. I have showed you how to do this in my first video, and I did show you guys how to do special fonts, and here I'm just doing the basic fonts to show you guys how to add the pictures if you did not watch my first video. So then you're going to choose a photo and choose the icon that represents the app you have chosen from your library. So after you have resized and are okay with your logo and how it is in its screen, you are just going to press done. And you are going to add it to your home screen. So now you are done with that, and the logo should be on the home screen. And you're going to repeat the exact same steps for all the other apps you are making to add to your home screen. Here I'm showing you guys how to do it with the TikTok one I made and the Snapchat one I made. So now that you are done customizing all of your apps and adding your new icon images, you are just going to do what I did in my first video and add them the way you'd like on your home screen. Just like I have right here with this screen, and this screen. You can do it whichever way you would like and whatever way fits you. Just have fun with it. So that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hoped it was really helpful for you guys. I enjoyed making it for you. And if you have any other questions about how to make your new iOS 14 home screen, you can just leave those questions down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys would like to follow me on any of my other socials, they'll be all down below in the link in the description. You can also go check out my other videos if you subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I post my next video every Friday at 5. Bye!